Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Knowify and how it can be help you streamline your construction project management in 2025. If you're managing projects, bids, or budgets, Knowify offers tools designed specifically to make your workflow smoother and more organized. To get started, sign up or log into your Knowify account. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your project's pending bids and financial status. One of the coolest features is how you can create detailed bids right from the platform. Add materials, labors, and overhead costs all in the one place. Knowify also shines when it comes to tracking your projects. You can set milestones, assign tasks to team members, and monitor progress in real time. The mobile app lets you crew updated job status directly from the site, which keeps everyone in sync without delays. Budgeting and invoicing are simplified too. Once project is underway, Knowify helps you to keep an eye on the cost versus estimates, so you don't get caught or guards. And when it's time to bill, you can generate professional invoices directly from the platform and even accept payments online. If you're handling multiple jobs, the reporting tools gives you insight into profitability, project timelines, and resource allocation, so you can make smarter decisions moving forward. So whether you're a small contractor or managing large teams, Knowify in 2025 offers a powerful way to keep your construction projects on track and under budget. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out to see how to Knowify can improve your project management, be sure to like, drop questions in the below, and subscribe for more business tech guides. Catch you in the next video.